Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. I'm going to New York. Goodbye. All right, listen, I am going to New York. I'm flying out of here right after this video. But I have some trades lined up for you in the euro currency and the British pound. And I think that the wheat, even though we had that massive run on Friday, I think the wheat looks bearish here. We had the run down, the run back up. Wheat, to me, looks like it's out of steam. And this arrow has to be upside down or not here at all. So let's just put a green arrow upside down for the wheat, because it did have a massive run up Friday, right? Now it's heading back down, at least in my opinion. I'm going to give it some breathing room. Give me an IM at the site. You traders, you OMNIs who follow me, you know what I'm talking about. Come to the site, come into our chat room, our public chat room. Give me an IM, I'll give you the exact levels on the wheat. What we're going to do is look at the euro currency. Again, we are looking to sell the euro currency. We're looking to sell the British pound. It worked quite well Thursday into Friday. I think they're going to rally a little bit this evening, and they're going to hit them again for Monday. There's also the indice markets to look at. You have to look at the S&P and the Nasdaq for what they are. In fact, I have a couple of charts. Even though I'm not going to give recommendations, let me throw up a couple of charts for you right now in the indice markets. I just want to point out a little something, and then we'll talk about the strategies in the euro currencies. From then I'm out of here, so we'll talk to you in a few minutes. Traders, stay tuned for the charts. Okay, traders, what we're looking at here is the December Nasdaq daily bar. You've seen this chart in videos prior to this one. We had a shoulder, head, shoulder, creating a head and shoulders. Market drops. Turns around and rallies up, creates a shoulder, a head, and then breaks down and never gives us the right shoulder. Then we drew this circle in, and we said now we'd expect this market to come back up, get somewhere in here, and create the right shoulder, giving us the pattern of a head and shoulders formation. That's what the triangle here is about. That's what we're expecting to happen over the next couple of days into a week or so. Right now, the Nasdaq is trading right here at this level, actually slightly less because it's come off a little since the market opened Sunday evening. We expect it'll get into this circle area, which is somewhere between 2088 and 2000 even, and it's just going to mess around until it builds this shoulder, and down for another plunge we likely will go. Keep your eye on the S&P. I feel that this rally that we have seen, of course this is Nasdaq, the S&P and Nasdaq run hand in hand. I think the rally that we have seen will be very short-lived, so don't get too comfortable with your longs. Let me show you an S&P chart now. Okay, traders, what we're looking at here is the December S&P daily bar. Again, another indice market that I think is already running out of steam. We've had a nice 3-day rally here. If you can notice, I've had these horizontal lines drawn on this chart for quite some time. I was expecting the market to get up into this area and run into resistance. Just so happens that also turns out to be the 200-day moving average. I think possibly we can get up that high, 1506 area. I think that this market will run out of steam up here. As you've seen with the Nasdaq chart, shoulder, head, shoulder. The Nasdaq's still looking to form the shoulder. The S&P is already in that shoulder, and it's working its way across, marking time. I feel that as it's marking time, it'll reach a pinnacle and then break down and give us the projection that we will be able to show you before the market does break down. If you look at this, the head, the whole thing here is the head, but then it actually put in a shoulder, head, shoulder, and had a big, big drop afterwards. Likelihood is now this is a massive head and shoulders, and we should probably get the same sort of action. Let's see, traders. That's our opinion here at Short-Term Trading. We think that this rally, again, will be short-lived, and don't get too comfortable with your long positions. Okay, traders, so you've seen the analysis on the index markets, the indices. Give them a couple of days breathing room here, and I think that's all we're going to get on this upside rally. I will do more analysis and keep you informed as the days pass. For my traders that have signed up last week, let me step back for a moment. Last week in my trading room, I mentioned that any of the new traders at my site who are silver members, if they signed up for the gold class membership, which is our daily analysis classes we hold on the web every day, if you sign up for that, I'm offering you a free week in the premium trading room. Any traders who come to our site, www.livewithoscar.com, and get themselves a gold class membership, that will enable you to get one free week in my premium trading rooms. That week was going to start tomorrow. Then, Friday afternoon, I get a phone call, and away I go to New York City. So I cannot do that this week. Barring that, the response has been so overwhelming, we need to give you traders some time to sign up. So it actually works out really well that this week I'll be in and out of the room a little bit, not in my seat 5 hours a day like I normally like it. So sign up for the membership. Be ready for next week to be in my premium room. Traders, you will really enjoy the premium room. It is the place to be if you are a trader, a serious trader, looking to use these markets as a way to supplement your income and to learn how to be a technical analyst. So sign up for the gold class membership during this week. And next week, you will be in the premium room with the big dogs, baby. That's a great place to be. All right. Okay, let's take a look at this first. The euro currency, we have a red omni. Once again, we're looking for euro currency to head down. Let's see what's going to happen. Omni says sell the euro currency in the mid to high 146.90 zone. 146.90 and above, anything up there, get yourself short the euro currency. Omni's profit objective on that trade is the low to mid 145.40s. Wow, another nice break. Another handle down, and that's what it looks like it wants to do. Again, you're selling them up in the 146.90s or above. Put a stop in a sensible place for you traders that are not already Omniacs. An Omniac is someone who's part of our site. If you're not already part of our site, you don't know where to place the stops. Think about a sensible place that your account can handle and place your stops. If you are a member of the site, just go to the Omni page, traders, and see where we want our stops, okay? Be careful with that. We're looking for it to break down to 145.40 or be out by the close, somewhere in the 145.40s. That's the euro currency trade. Another red Omni, the British pound, the BPZ7. Omni says to sell it in the mid to high 205.90 area. Anything above 205.90, we're looking to sell out some British pounds. Omni's profit objective is the low to mid 204.50s or be out by the close. So the currencies, once again, look like they may want to go a bit lower. Be careful with the currencies because at a certain point, they could get spooked with the Fed meeting on December 11th. Be careful with that. If the Fed lowers rates, it makes currencies go up. It makes the dollar go down. That's normally what happens. So these can be spooked at any time, so be very nimble in your currency trading for the next week. Guys, what else should I mention here before I go to the airport? Anything?
I think you covered it.
All right, traders, if you'd like to give me a call, please do it, 702-629-4755. Shoot me at an email anytime, day or night. I will take a look at it. Even in the plane, I get emails. Well, that's not true, but when I land, I'll take a look at the emails when I get to my office. And I will certainly reply back to you if you'd like to send me some homework on any of the commodity markets that we cover here. Shoot me out a chart with your analysis on it. I will evaluate it and shoot you a message back. For you YouTube fans who follow YouTube and found us either by accident or because you were looking for a commodities trader or a technical analyst, if you found us on YouTube or on the web and don't exactly know how you found us, we have a page on YouTube with over 235 videos. 236 videos.
236.
I stand corrected. 236 videos. Very good, Mikey. Those videos have lots of technical analysis in them, lots of techniques to help you with your trading, lots of mental conditioning, and a lot of kidding around too, but most of it is geared to help you with your trading. If you'd like to see all of those videos, kindly come to our YouTube spot. It's www.youtube.com/futures analysts. Go to that spot, take a look at those videos, try to catch up. I think that's about all I'm going to cover here. You know, I got my mind on 5 markets right now. I want to go back out there and take a look at them. So I will speak to you shortly. Traders, have a very safe Very great day trading. If you are going to trade the two trades we have prescribed here, the British pound and the euro currency, make sure that you agree, do your analysis first, do your own homework, and make sure that you agree with these trades before you take the positions on. Don't forget, always, always, always place your stops first. It is most important that you place stops first so that you cannot get caught up in a disaster if, in fact, something happens while you're still typing in your original order. You put your order in. If you don't have your stop first, your order could get hit, and you're running open-ended without a stop. So place your stops first. And that's why the traders, last but not least, say this to yourselves every day, every morning, every evening. Say it when you place every trade. Say it when you're in front of the screen watching the markets, when they start pulsing and pulling you in. Say this to yourselves over and over, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.